Hi, I'm Mike Beebe, lead brewer at Motorworks Brewing. I'm here in our beer garden with Nate Wilson, Director of Spirits at Berns Steak, and Bob Haa, our head brewer here at Motorworks. We are opening up bottles of our newly packaged Legacy 8 barrel-aged Belgian quad. This is a collaboration with Berns Steak, the 8th in their Legacy series, and we're going to be giving it a taste. So the Belgian Quad is a traditional Belgian strong ale. See, it's brown in color. This one's about 10.45% ABV. It's going to have notes of caramel malts, dark dried stone fruit, fig, dark cherry, as well as some bready, toasted bread crust notes in there as well. And then on top of all that, it's been aged in a W.L. Weller foolproof bourbon barrel, which is going to impart some tannin structure to the beer, and of course oaky notes of vanilla and toasted coconut.
Yeah, so I'm getting a lot of chocolate notes from the malt. Also a lot of dark dried fruit. So dried plum, raisin comes in quite a bit. Also the notes, the acidity from the oak barrel and the tannins that I'm getting really cut through a lot of the heavier structure of the beer. Gives it some balance. Really nice.
Okay. This is my first taste of this, and cheers, gentlemen.
Cheers.
Cheers.
Again, same thing as the maltiness, a little bit of doughiness to it. The dark red fruits, the dark stone fruits coming through. The mouthfeel is, guys, it's incredible. Perfectly balanced. This is by far the best Legacy.
That's high praise.
We got that on camera. That's pretty good.
Hey guys, for everybody else, you can be mad, but this is perfect. The high proof from the barrel as well, from the oak, is actually coming through on the finish as well. This is well worth the wait, gentlemen. Thank you.
All right.
Yeah,
Thank you to Motorworks. You guys are incredible. Every time you hit a home run.
I mean, it's really our privilege to work alongside Berns Steakhouse, so we love doing it for you.